Imperata Red Baron is the most popular ornamental grass. Certainly is for me, and I've got it planted in my garden and it looks fabulous. When it emerges in the springtime, you get the blades of green that will first emerge, and then they start to darken. And you can see already on this, you're beginning to start to see the green transform into a rich, deep burgundy. And the name bloodgrass, which is a common name, is because the blades will actually eventually almost look as though they're blood red in colour. But that darkens and darkens, and by the autumn, they are the most rich, deep burgundy you can imagine. Now, this is a fabulous plant to plant in between shrubs and perennials in your beds and borders, because when they're not really at their best, and of course, different plants perform differently through the year, but you hopefully have some interesting plants all the way through the year. Bloodgrass will work hard literally from midsummer all the way through to early winter, giving you that ever-increasing depth of deep, rich burgundy. Now, when we actually think about the hardiness of this, you can be completely confident this will overwinter year after year because it's totally, utterly winter hardy. And better than that, you can plant it directly in the soil if you choose, but if you want to, you could have this in pots. And actually, a single statement pot on your patio of this would look incredible with that lovely blaze of blood red blades of grass that you've got there. So, Imperata Red Baron, known as bloodgrass, this is, in my opinion, the best ornamental grass you could grow. It's hard working, it's winter hardy, it's an absolute must. So get this planted in your garden.